And now let's go live to that wacky Bruce Nolan out at Niagara Falls.
Hey, wacky Bruce.
Bruce? Talk, Bruce. Hello?
Talk, honey. Talk.
What's going on?
We got a Walt Disney.
It's frozen solid.
Well, they may not have audio. Check the feed.
We may be having a bit of technical difficulty.
Feed's good, Jack.
Come on. Talk, Bruce, damn it. All right, get ready to pull the plug.
Oh, come on, baby. Say something. Say something.
Bruce, talk.
And this is what you call wind.
Close? You tell me what we close for? What we close for? And look at the weather. We had worse weather all week. You get what I'm saying? Just hit the hurricane, you know? You think you come out here and swim? Like, go inside, go inside. Alright. They fucking hate getting into the water. They're fighting with this current and they're picking it up, but they don't want to stop. These dogs are crazy. These are ultimate machines that they're working. And they're jogging back. Get all that shit out now. Still won't go. That's what gives him that boost to keep going, because he's tired a long time, you know.
Oh yeah, get it out.
At the bottom of the bike now, you know. hard though, and I must say. So you know the hurricane flash. But this how they supposed to be sometimes we get a air blood. Exalting themselves. No, everybody just chuckling, you know what I mean? Enjoying the breeze. Let's go! Inside! Inside, inside, inside! Vika, hey, say! Yeah, he coming now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines. Responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you. If you are unable or prefer not to perform these functions, please let us know and we'll be happy to find you another seat. As we leave the gate, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on.
Yeah, see no other way. Uh-oh. This is what you call rain? No. I'm telling you, West People, we want to one places where it's normal where people going out there shop we get single cigarettes, single on beef. I'm telling you, it's different down here. You tell me, what you do with cows? Where you put them? Ah, see him slap up against a fucking police station and now then. Fucking juice and beef party. Hey boy, fucking grass. The man lives serious down the west dog. Oh, KJ fuck some up down here. Don't bring your dog down here by me, but you want KJ train your dog, yeah? Look here.